A group of local residents has staged a protest against the flag hoisting ceremony for the Santa Kondu festival at the Hazrat Sikandar Dargah located atop the Thiruparankundaram hill. Now they demand that as per the court's order, Kartigai Deepam be lit at the pillar near the Dargah during the month of Kartigai. Thirumangalam Revenue Divisional Officer granted in fact a permission for the flag hoisting ceremony for the festival, which will be held till January 6th at the Sikandar Dargah located atop the Thiruparankundaram hill. So the row over Thiruparankundaram hill seems to be escalating now, with the residents now wanting a deepam to be lit near the Dargah. Meanwhile, an order has come in which has allowed the flag hoisting ceremony for the Santa Kondu festival at the Hazrat Sikandar Dargah. Now residents are demanding that as per the court's order, Kartigai Deepam be lit at the pillar near the Dargah. Meanwhile, Thirumangalam Revenue Divisional Officer granted permission for the flag hoisting ceremony. This is essentially what has triggered the recent unrest, in fact, with the Thiruparankundaram row now escalating. Now in this, a group of locals in fact has staged a protest against the flag hoisting ceremony. It is set to take place at the Hazrat Sikandar Dargah located atop the Thiruparankundaram hill. Now here viewers, the residents are demanding that as per the court's order, a Kartigai Deepam should be lit at the pillar near the Dargah during the month of Kartigai. But meanwhile, a Thirumangalam Revenue Divisional Officer has now granted permission for the flag hoisting ceremony. So this is essentially what is now creating a rift and seems to be escalating the row over Thiruparankundaram hill. Remember, this is the latest in a series of incidents that have escalated this row. My colleague Atoya Jakshi is joining me on this with more details. Atoya, it seems that the row over Thiruparankundaram hill is now escalating, with the residents now staging a protest against the flag hoisting ceremony near the Dargah. Give us more details and also put this recent rift into context for our viewers.
Well, yes, Ishita, a case has been filed, has been registered against 42 people, including BJP members and civilians who were involved in a road blockade in Thiruparankundaram in Madurai district. They protested yesterday for allegedly allowing Muslims to hoist flags at Sikandar Dargah. A case has been registered against 42 people who were arrested and released after protesting on Thirumangalam and Madurai road. So basically, there are several Hindu Muneni workers and BJP workers, and now civilians have also joined. You can also see in the visuals, that it is not only happening in Madurai, but in several other districts as also, where Hindu Muneni workers and BJP workers are just going on a march, holding a lamp in their hand and protesting. In Chennai also, there were, several people who were, arrested the other day. And yesterday night, there were so much of protest that took place in Thiruparankundaram hill, where, when the Muslims were going to hoist the flag in Sikandar Dargah. Where now currently, the latest that we're getting in here is a case has been registered against 42 people, and who were arrested and released after this protesting, which took place in Thirumangalam in Madurai road.